Wow, what a beautiful evening.
Hello Ravi, how are you? Hope you're enjoying your classes.
Yes, uncle. These days, I'm learning a lot of new things in my accounts classes. I'm very much thrilled with the new information.
Wow, that's great. It's a good sign. I'm happy that you're enjoying your new subject. So Ravi, shall I ask you some questions?
Yes, uncle, I'm ready.
Okay, then tell me, what do you mean by business transaction?
Business transaction is an economic event which took place by various people in the business, and it can be cash or credit.
Oh, that's wonderful. Good, good, good. Okay, now tell me, what are assets?
Assets are the property which can be movable or immovable or legal rights owned by the business. It acts as a resource for a business.
That's great. What else do you know about assets?
Um, Assets can be current assets, which can be converted into cash within a year, or assets present for short period of time. Then they can be fixed assets or non-current assets, which are held in the business for longer period of time and not purchased for the purpose of resale. They remain in the business for longer period of time. And I also know like there are tangible assets. Now tangible assets are those assets which can be touched, which can be seen, which have physical existence, like land, building, plant and machinery. There are intangible assets also which cannot be touched, seen, which do not have physical existence. They can be trademarks, they can be patent rights, they can be license fees. All are considered as tangible assets.
Very good, Ravi, you are going in the right direction. Now let me add here, there's one more category which are called fictitious assets. And these fictitious assets are actually balances of unexpired losses or expenditures. These assets actually do not have any realizable value, right? They can be, for example, you can say net loss, uh, preliminary expenses, or loss on issue of debentures, or discount on issue of debentures. These things are also considered as fictitious assets. Dear students, our discussion will continue. You need to just like a channel. If you are new, you can also subscribe.
And one more thing, don't forget to ask a question. If you have anything to ask, you can write in the comment box. Bye for now.